Despite the availability of computer simulations, crash tests are still the most reliable means of testing vehicle safety. Fraunhofer researchers now have their own whole vehicle crash test facility, which was recently established in Effringen-Kirchen. Over the past 15 years and more, the Fraunhofer Institute for High-Speed Dynamics, EMI, has amassed a wealth of experience in the testing of crash-relevant materials and specializes in the analysis of high-speed dynamic processes. Thanks to the new facility, the researchers can now conduct whole vehicle crash tests, which will enable them to offer customers in the automotive industry a full range of services for the development of crash-safe vehicles.
Unsere neue Crashhalle ist 42 Meter lang.
Our new testing hall is 42 meters long. We assess crash scenarios involving speeds of up to 80 kilometers an hour and a maximum vehicle weight of 3,000 kilograms.
Fahrzeugmassen bis zu 3 Tonnen beschleunigen. Wir werden heute einen Heckaufprallversuch bei 30 km/h durchführen.
The facility is very versatile. Today we're testing a rear impact with a 50% overlap. However, we're equally capable of executing frontal and side collisions thanks to versatile sleds.
Inverse Heckaufprallversuche, Seiten- und Frontalaufprallversuche durchführen können.
Before each test, circular markers are affixed to the car to serve as reference points for subsequent measurements that determine how different materials and components have behaved during the crash. Nobody is allowed to remain in the room during the actual test, which can only start when everyone has left and closed all doors behind them. The scientists control the crash test from the safety of a separate control room. First, a high-pressure gas cylinder is filled with nitrogen to a pressure of 200 bar. This generates the force required to achieve a speed of 30 kilometers an hour, the standard speed for crash tests today. A set of 12 brake valves regulates the acceleration and speed of the ramrods. The Fraunhofer whole vehicle facility performs what are known as inverse crash tests. Put simply, this means that the wall is sent crashing into the car, rather than the other way around. Once the required pressure has been built up, the crash test can begin. Up to 7 high-speed cameras record what happens during the crash test. In particular, the camera images enable the scientists to observe and measure the displacement of the reference markers during the impact. The recorded data serve as input for simulation models, which are subsequently edited for use in evaluating the safety of new vehicle designs.
Mit dieser neuen Anlage hat das EMI Ernst Mach.
Our newly built crash test unit is a modern testing facility that meets the strictest standards. Thanks to the creation of this unit, the Fraunhofer Gesellschaft now has the added capability of testing whole vehicles for crash safety and not just individual components.
Hohe Messtechnik, hohe Präzision hier in dieser Halle untersuchen.